Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. It's been a while, but I'm back and I'm gonna upcycle these two jackets, and I'm starting with this yellow blazer. I've had this for a few years now. It's been hanging in my closet and I honestly didn't really know what to do with it because I thought it was kind of boring and not really my style. And I had all these cool ribbons and stuff laying around, so I thought it would be a cool upcycle project. And I started with cutting the damn thing off, making it shorter, and it's already looking way cuter. But to finish off the raw edges now, I used some bias binding. And I actually did it once before, but I dipped it in some coffee to make it a bit more stained or give it a really nice natural color. And it's a really cool tip. Dip your bias binding, your white bias binding in coffee, and it's gonna look used and really cool. I don't know. It's cool. And I'm still trying to get the hang of this bias binding thing. I think I need more practice to get it perfect. But it's okay. It's looking like this. And then I grabbed this thing. I got this from the trash. Can you believe it? I ripped it off a very old lampshade. And the lampshade was broken. It was damaged. But I managed to rip this hanging part off the lampshade. And I took it home with me. And oh, it's looking so cool. Okay, onto the back. I cut out two hearts. One slightly bigger than the other one. And I'm gonna place them on top of each other. I hope this part makes sense. Maybe not. But I'm sewing them together. And once I've done that, I'm gonna flip it over. So the smaller heart is on the inside. Then I'm gonna sew the whole thing onto the jacket. And after I did that, I cut it open. And then it looks cool. Does this make sense? I don't know. Take a look. It looks like this now. And I had lots of fabric scraps left. And I decided to make these cute little hearts, which were the cutest. They're so cute. And I just sewed them on. Look at this posture. And I wonder why my back and neck is hurting after a whole day of sewing. Lol. Also had this ribbon. I think I bought this ribbon in Spain a few years ago in a really cool shop. And it's giving like circus vibes. Isn't it cool? Okay, the back was still a bit boring. So I thought it would be awesome to do some embroidery on it. I got my embroidery hoop. I got my Sex in the City going on. I was really hungover here, I think. And I did the embroidery, but before I'm gonna show you the end result, let's see the other jacket, because this white thing has also been in my closet for quite some time. I never wear it because I think it's boring. But luckily I have lots of fabric paint in my craft station. And I thought it would be really cool to do like this checkered design on the bottom and a little part on the sleeve. And purple, yeah, purple is my favorite color. And I also love flowers, so it was obviously gonna be a flower jacket in purple flowers. So cool. It's looking so awesome. I did fuck up one part because I spilled some fabric. Yep, over there. And I had to make an extra flower. But oh well, it's not the worst thing in the world, I guess. And it's so exciting because now I get to show you the results, how it turned out. I think this is really cool. The checkered part and the purple flowers and the color, making it black as well was, I don't know, was a really good choice. Look at this! It's so cool. Yeah, I'm way too cool. I'm pretending to be cool. Okay, bye. On to the yellow blazer because oh my god. It's so cute. L'amour toujours because always love. Love is the answer. Oh, I've actually worn this outfit to a festival and I've gotten so many compliments. It's awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you feel inspired to maybe upcycle some boring jackets you have laying around. Okay, bye!